Hey, what's going on? Mathew, Tamin here. One of the biggest challenges that entrepreneurs and small businesses face is managing their customers. Listen, you have so many things that you're dealing with on a day-to-day basis, but you can't forget or ignore your customers because they're the people that's taking care of your business. So how do you take care of them? Well, there's a free platform called Hubspot CRM that you can be able to use. It's a revolutionary tool that will transform the way that you do business. Listen, I've been in the industry for over 20 years now, and one of the biggest challenges that I hear customers talk about all the time is how do I manage my business? So let me show you. With HubSpot CRM platform, you can grow your business faster and easier. And one of the reasons why I love this is that it's free. You don't have to pay anything up front, right? I know as a business owner, you're trying to find out ways to save. Well, let's take a look at some other features that will help not just set your business apart, but help you to save time and money. You can be able to manage your contact and your lead management. See, when you have a business and you're trying to grow it or trying to scale it, one of the things that you want to make sure is that as you generate leads, you want to be able to follow up on those leads. You want to build a relationship with them so that they don't feel like, they heard about you, they signed up for your product, and then they got ignored. So this is going to help you to manage that and get business insight and a reporting dashboard. Another great feature that comes with this is it gives you the ability to manage your sales pipeline with total visibility. Well, what exactly does that mean? You want to be able to assign certain tasks, you want to track the progress, and you want to keep the process moving. You don't want people to sign up for your products or your service and then they just get stuck. So what this does is it helps you to schedule meetings, to schedule upcoming events, maybe a customer have a question, they want to talk to you about it, or you want to keep a track of, the emails that's been sent out, the deals, the calls that's going out. This can help you to do just that. You can also grow and nurture your database with email marketing, forms, and landing page builder, including ad management as well. Well, what that means in layman terms is this. When you have the ability to have a tool that lets you build a landing page, you can customize the content that goes on there. So it's more personalized. One of the things that is going to separate your business from others is that people love to have personalized customer experience. So when you can personalize the landing page, they feel like you made that page just for them. And you actually did. You can also keep your team focused on the customers with help desk and ticketing. Listen, one of the most frustrating things for a customer is this. When they sign up for your product and they need support, if you don't give them support, most of the times they are going to leave a bad review and they may leave and never return. You don't want that. So this helps you to make sure that if your customers have any questions, if they want to submit a ticket, they're not sure about something, they can be able to reach out to you. You have a shared inbox and you have the availability of a live chat software. They can chat with someone live. Listen, live chat eliminates so much frustration from a customer because they're able to talk to you or talk to someone to get their questions answered and get their needs met. So if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, you can get started with this CRM platform for absolutely free and change the way that you do business forever.